Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. In this demonstration, we'll explore the ShellPhish tool and understand how it is used in cybersecurity awareness and education. As you know, phishing is a highly dangerous and common cyber threat in today's digital landscape. That's why understanding and educating others about phishing is crucial. To support cybersecurity awareness, we'll be using ShellPhish, a tool designed for educational purposes and phishing simulation. Please note that ShellPhish is not pre-installed in Kali Linux, so we need to install it manually. Open Firefox or your default browser in Kali Linux. In the search bar, type github.com. Once the GitHub homepage loads, use the search bar in the top right corner and type ShellPhish. Press Enter. Look for the repository named Abir Hassan 2005/ShellPhish and click on it. Scroll down the page to find the installation instructions. If you're unsure about the installation, open a new tab and search online for https://www.cybrary.it/blog phishing-using-shellphish. This will take you to a detailed step-by-step article. Open Firefox in Kali Linux. Then type github.com. In the search box, type ShellPhish. Select the first repository. Click on the clone or download button and copy the URL. Now let's switch back to GitHub. In the GitHub repository, click on the green code button located near the top right of the repository's main page. Then, in the drop-down, just hover your mouse over the HTTPS URL, and you'll see a clipboard icon at the right end of the input box. Click the clipboard icon to copy the URL to your clipboard. Now go back to your terminal in Kali Linux and type the command git clone, followed by the copied URL. Press Enter to begin cloning. Since ShellPhish is already installed on my system, it displays ShellPhish already exists. In the terminal, then type ls. This lists all files and folders. You should see a folder named ShellPhish. Now type cd ShellPhish to enter the directory. To confirm, type ls again. You should see the ShellPhish files listed. To run ShellPhish, we need to give it root permissions. Go back to the phishing using ShellPhish page. We can see that we have to use the command chmod +x shellphish.sh. Right-click on the command and copy it. Switch to terminal and paste it. Press Enter. The +x flag is used to mark the script as executable in ch mode, commonly used to change the file permissions of a file or directory. Next, we have to execute the command ./shellphish.sh. Copy it and paste it in the terminal, and press Enter. ShellPhish will now start loading. On screen, you'll see the interface of ShellPhish. It is a phishing tool created and maintained by Abir Hassan 2005. You will now see a list of social sites to choose from to simulate phishing. These include Facebook, Instagram, Google, Microsoft, Netflix, PayPal, Steam. These are the common social media sites used. Let's select Google as an example. Type 3 for Google and press Enter. Next, to use the old Gmail login page, type 1 and press Enter. To use localhost, type 1 again. When prompted to use default port number, type 5555 and press Enter. The tool will begin setting up a fake Gmail login page on your local host. This may take a few moments. Once setup is complete, copy the local host link, http://localhost:5555. Now go to Firefox, open a new browser, and paste it. Once the fake Gmail login page loads, enter a test email, such as example 555656595@gmail.com. Type a dummy password like attacker is here and click on Sign In. A pop-up will appear to save Gmail password for localhost. Then click on Not Now. You'll be redirected to a fake account recovery page. Return to your terminal in Kali Linux. You'll see Victim details. The victim's IP address is 127.0.0.1. The local file path is sites/google/victimip.txt. The captured email and password of victim are as follows. The account is example 555656595@gmail.com. And the password is attacker is here, all in small letters. This is how you can simulate phishing attacks using the ShellPhish tool in Kali Linux. Remember, ShellPhish is for educational and awareness purposes only. It is designed to demonstrate how phishing works so organizations and individuals can better protect themselves.